Once you click Attend on your sale, you will be prompted to select which lane you would like to open. Note that you can add additional lanes once you enter the sale. Select a lane, then press Continue to open the live bidding screen. Please note that you cannot attend a sale that is not yet running. You have now entered the simulcast sale and may bid. Note that you can view upcoming vehicles and your watchlist vehicles in the panel on the left side of the screen. To add additional lanes, click the button that says Add Lanes to Attend, located at the bottom of the page. A list of all sale lanes will appear, and you may select each lane you wish to add. When you're done, simply close the window. All of the selected lanes will display on the side or bottom of your screen, allowing you to switch between them.